Okay, as you can see from the program on the computer, I have got high one, pause for 5 seconds, low one, pause for 5 seconds. So that should turn the white LEDs on and leave them on for 5 seconds, switch them off and leave them off for 5 seconds. Programmed it, hasn't come up with any error messages on there, and this is what they're doing. They're just flashing away manically. I'm wondering whether the resistor, not being the right value, is just constantly cutting it out, so it's trying to start the program over and over again, so it never gets past the white lights flashing. What I'm going to try and do now is locate the red LEDs and test my theory on that. Okay, so trying to get the red LEDs to work as well didn't work. So what I've done is I've rewired it so that one of the white lights is on the red and one's still on the white. And this proves that the red LEDs work. So there's something within, whether it's the resistors stopping it working on, whether the resistors are blown on the red wires, or because I can't see a wiring problem as such on the red connections. So yeah, time to think again. Okay, so what I've done now is, using the breadboard and a fresh transistor, I have bypassed the transistor and we actually have things working now on that. So the transistor was 40. Okay, now the two white LEDs are alight. Don't really know why, because I've got the board at this angle and I'm struggling to see whether I've caused some sort of shorting on, because at the moment the program is, well, it's not programmed to do what it's doing at all. It's meant, the program is still turn one on, which is connected to red, not white. 5 seconds. Oh, and now they've stopped, so I've just moved it slightly. There we are. So
I just need a scrap. I don't really want to use a whole.
now my thumb is on the point where the light sensor is coming through. That's off, but it doesn't seem to be consistent. So whether there is so at the moment I've wired the transistor to this side of the board because I'm not too sure about the connection through the board, and they're flashing away. If I pinch these two wires together so they're touching, bypassing transistor, they stop flashing and stay on permanently. If I then also add a wire to the points on the other one, then they stay on. So there is something fundamentally wrong in this area here. Okay, so what we got here at the moment is the program's running to just turn the red light on and keep it on. As you can see, it's flashing. bypass the transistor, and it goes ridiculously, as it should. And it's the same situation with that LED in here. You can't quite see it flashing this time, but if you put that together, the LED, it did work. Positive, negative, idiot. Now it's flashing, you can't quite see it there, but if I put those together, it turns on.